Defending the airspace, a complex and demanding task. Modern ground-based air defense systems have to be able to deter traditional targets. On top of that, they should also have CRAM capabilities to address asymmetric aerial attacks. Yet a new worrying threat has evolved recently. Low, slow, and small so-called LSS targets, such as remotely controlled multicopters, model airplanes, etc. Most air defense systems have gaps in their defending capabilities against RAM and LSS targets. To successfully close this gap, Rheinmetall Defense leads the way with its directed energy weapons. High-energy lasers. Your first mission? Provide 24/7 air defense of a forward operating base. The situation: constant threat of surprise mortar or rocket attacks by insurgents in the region. Your means: an Oerlikon Skyshield Moto CRAM camp protection system with added laser effectors. With very few alterations, Rheinmetall Defense can convert its fielded CRAM revolver guns into laser effectors that seamlessly integrate into the existing camp protection system. The new silent killers are highly effective versus RAM and LSS targets, come at low logistic costs, and feature a very favorable cost-to-kill ratio. Attack. Insurgents have launched mortars against your camp. The Skyshield sensor units detect the targets, track and assess them, guide the laser effectors to the most threatening one. The laser beams of several high-energy lasers are superimposed onto the target, heating it up to a point where it detonates mid-air. Rheinmetall demonstrated the CRAM capability of its laser system in front of an international audience during 2 live firing events in October 2013. A pressurized mortar launcher was used to fire 82mm steel spheres filled with explosives. Our lasers destroyed 9 out of 10 RAM targets mid-air at a distance of roughly 1,100 meters. Mission accomplished. Your second mission: secure the lower airspace during an international sports event. The situation: possible terror attacks with the objective to create mass panic inside the sport arena. Your means: a surveillance and fire control radar system connected to a number of high-energy laser effectors and conventional revolver guns. All systems are hidden or obscured from view. Our silent killers are both inconspicuous as well as dead accurate and can be deployed discreetly. Attack. A remote-controlled multicopter approaches the arena. Deployable even in dense urban settings, modern LSS aerial vehicles are extremely maneuverable and use GPS to follow pre-programmed waypoint patterns. They can be obtained cheaply, also by misguided groups or individuals, and are capable of transporting payloads exceeding 2 kilograms. In our case, an explosive charge has been attached to the multicopter with the intention to detonate it in the stadium and cause mass panic. The radar surveillance system detects the unmanned aerial vehicle and tracks it. Rheinmetall's high-energy laser effectors are ready. As a first measure of de-escalation, the laser effectors dazzle the onboard camera of the multicopter. If this doesn't stop the attackers, the unmanned aerial vehicle will have to be destroyed immediately. Unnoticed by anybody in the arena, the silent killers just quietly fulfilled their duty. During the live firing events of 2013, Rheinmetall Defense successfully dazzled a live camera on board a GPS-guided octocopter. The international audience then witnessed the mid-air destruction of the attacker from a remote position. Mission accomplished. Your last mission: protect an international port of vital economic importance against aerial attacks. Situation: the opposing forces saturate the airspace with waves of cruise missiles. Your means: a complete GBAD task force with added laser effectors. The Rheinmetall beam superimposing technology allows the beams of multiple lasers to be constantly adjusted, focused, and overlaying each other on a target, to be multiplied indefinitely. This is key for swiftly destroying a multitude of targets with pinpoint precision. During a live demonstration in 2012, Rheinmetall verified their scalable laser energy approach by cutting through a 15mm steel girdle at a distance of 1,000 meters by superimposing the beams of 5 10-kilowatt lasers. Attack. 3 cruise missiles are heading for the vital asset you're protecting. The fire control unit identifies and tracks the intruders. The laser effectors are pointed to the most threatening attacker and proceed to eliminate one target after the other. Last-ditch defense against leakers is provided by 35mm ahead. In October 2013, Rheinmetall proved to an international audience its ability to deter a saturation attack of 3 jet-powered UAVs approaching at 20-second intervals. All 3 were successfully destroyed mid-air. All 3 kills were achieved at distances of 1,000 to 1,200 meters. Mission accomplished. Laser effectors will not replace traditional GBAD effectors like guns or missiles. They will rather complement them, especially against LSS targets and in moto situations. Low logistical cost, as well as a very favorable cost-to-kill ratio, are extra factors that will help this new technology to get established. By calling upon the synergies of cross-division expertise, Rheinmetall was able to substantiate the technical feasibility of its high-energy laser prototypes during endless internal trials. A fully operational, high-energy laser effector system can be developed within the next decade. Soon, our silent killers could close the short-range gaps in your existing GBAD.